Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles. For all the beautiful natural women who really are tired of having the same old routine, I just want you guys to watch this video to the end because these hairstyles we've got for you will definitely make heads turn. And one thing about the style is that it's a style that amplifies your amazing features. This cut is a great transition style if you really want to try out short hair but don't want to commit to those maybe the Pixie. You just want something that is simple yet classy. So if you're really feeling like you really want to take those edge route, this beautiful haircut is perfect for you because it's a style you can explore, a fun style that is for every fresh shape. So if you're really serious about making a change, just take a good look on this look and I will know that is a style that will fit your face. Isn't this beauty looking so amazing? You can see that this haircut is perfect for beautiful women who really want to go natural, or maybe for those ladies or women that really want to start over, because you can see how this haircut looks so beautiful and is that kind of hairstyle that's among the top 5 that are great for anyone who really wants a happy sophistication and sexy. So one thing about the style is that it's for beautiful women who really aren't looking for those commitment of shaving their head so much off, but they still want that overall tapered fit, because you can see the hair is a hair that is perfect for summer. So I just want you guys to just take your time and check out the rest of the styles by watching this video to the end, because it will really give you the different and assorted hairstyles for you to try this season. If it's the first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your mind in the comment section below. I appreciate you all. God bless you guys and see you in my next video.
I'm feeling your ocean no more. Couple by your my body won't is true. If Jackie up your feet, my baby, I feel to get us all top, I used to do it in my mind. I am a polymer. I'm feeling your ocean no more. Couple by your my body won't is true. If Jackie up your feet, my baby, I feel to get us all top, I used to do it in my mind. I am a polymer. to you, I'm feeling your ocean no more. Couple by you, I tell you, my body won't need to. If Jackie up your feet, my baby, I feel to get us so top, yeah. I used to do it in my mind. I am a polymer. I'm feeling your ocean no more. Couple by you, I tell you, my body won't need to. If Jackie up your feet, my baby, I feel to get us so top, yeah. I used to do it in my mind. I am a polymer. I'm feeling your ocean no more. Couple by you, I tell you, my body won't need to. If Jackie up your feet, my baby, I feel to get us so top, yeah. I used to do it in my mind. I am a polymer.